Hi, my name is Teacher Holly from Literacy, Pittsburgh. How are you? I'm good, thanks. This video is for my classes, my students. This video is for Teacher Nancy's classes and Teacher Monica's classes. This video is about our story. Our story is about a job. Our story is about Don. His name is Don. This is our second video about questions. Let's talk about question words. Who, what, where, when. Question words. Who, what, where, when. Are you ready? Let's start. Who? Who is people or one person? Who? Students, teachers, Teacher Nancy, Teacher Monica, people. Who? Teacher Holly, I am a person. A student is a person. Who? Where? Where is a place? Where? A house is a place, a classroom, a store, places. Where? What? What is things? A pencil is a thing. Glasses are a thing. A cell phone is a thing. What? When? When is time? When is time? Today, yesterday, next week, 9 o'clock, 11:30, 1 o'clock, time. When? Let's talk about after, and before. after, before. Let's talk about what Don is doing before and what he is doing after. First, let's read our story again. Let's read our story again. Are you ready? Let's start. This is Don. He has a job. He works at a restaurant. He is a dishwasher. He is starting work. He is punching in. He is putting on his apron. He is carrying dirty dishes. He is getting ready to wash dishes. He is scraping food into the garbage. He is pouring water down the sink. He is rinsing dirty dishes. He is putting dirty dishes in the dishwasher. We are finished reading the story. Now, let's talk about questions. Questions. Questions about the story. Questions starting with who? Questions with what? Questions with where? And questions with when. Questions. First, listen to the question. Then say the answer. Listen to the question. Say the answer. Are you ready? Let's start. Who has a job? Who has a job? Don has a job. Don has a job. What is Don carrying? What is Don carrying? Don is carrying dirty dishes. Don is carrying dirty dishes. What is Don rinsing? What is Don rinsing? He is rinsing dirty dishes. He is rinsing dirty dishes. What is Don putting on? What is Don putting on? He is putting on his apron. He is putting on his apron. Where is Don pouring water? Where is Don pouring water? He is pouring water down the sink. He is pouring water down the sink. What is Don's job? What is Don's job? He is a dishwasher. He is a dishwasher. Where is Don putting dirty dishes? Where is Don putting dirty dishes? He is putting dirty dishes in the dishwasher. He is putting dirty dishes in the dishwasher. Where does Don work? Where does Don work? He works at a restaurant. He works at a restaurant. Where is Don scraping food? Where is Don scraping food? He is scraping food into the garbage. He is scraping food into the garbage. Let's talk about before and after. Before, after. Are you ready? Let's start. What is Don doing before he puts on his apron? What is Don doing before he puts on his apron? He is punching in. He is punching in. He is punching in before he is putting on his apron. What is Don doing after he puts on his apron? What is Don doing after he puts on his apron? He is carrying dirty dishes. He is carrying dirty dishes. He is carrying dirty dishes after he is putting on his apron. What is Don doing before he puts dirty dishes in the dishwasher? What is Don doing before he puts dirty dishes in the dishwasher? He is rinsing dirty dishes. He is rinsing dirty dishes. He is rinsing dirty dishes before he puts dirty dishes in the dishwasher. What is Don doing after he rinses dirty dishes? What is Don doing after he rinses dirty dishes? He is putting dirty dishes in the dishwasher. He is putting dirty dishes in the dishwasher. He is putting dirty dishes in the dishwasher after he rinses dirty dishes. What is Don doing before he pours water down the sink? What is Don doing before he pours water down the sink? He is scraping food into the garbage. He is scraping food into the garbage. He is scraping food into the garbage before he pours water down the sink. What is Don doing after he scrapes food into the garbage? What is Don doing after he scrapes food into the garbage? He is pouring water down the sink. He is pouring water down the sink. He is pouring water down the sink after he scrapes food into the garbage. We are finished talking about questions. Good job. We are finished talking about our story. Write, write, write. Do you have a pencil? Do you have paper? Write the questions. Write the answers. Write the questions. Write the answers. Take a picture of your paper. Send it in a text to me, Teacher Holly, or Teacher Nancy, or Teacher Monica. We want to see your writing. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Have a nice day.